today I am going to do an unboxing video, and my son is crying right now. I will see you guys in a bit. Hi everyone, so today I'm going to do an unboxing, and it is from a fellow soaper, Miss Lizette Lopez, and she's from the Desert Farm Company, and she will be my first unboxing. I have never done one, and I'm really excited about this one because this soap is very important to me. My son has eczema, so this soap is known, and I have heard from a lot of people that it helps with eczema, psoriasis, and a few other skin conditions. So I'm really excited to use it, and I can't wait. And thank you so much, Miss Lopez from Desert Farm Companies. I'm really excited, and I don't mind helping other soapers out there. I don't mind buying their products or anything like that, because at the end of the day, we're all here to support each other.
Okay guys, so I just got my soap and I'm really excited about it. This one is from Lizette, and this is a Pinetar soap that is supposed to be really good for psoriasis, supposed to be good for eczema and all kinds of things. So wow, she really did it feels like bubble wrap packaging. So she was really good with the packaging. All right, well, good job on packaging it. She even has, it's bubble wrap, so I really like this packaging. Hopefully it comes out in good condition. Oh, and it has it looks like a cute little sticker. Oh, it's a little unicorn. How cute. How cute. And then she has, it's called the Desert Farm Company, handcrafted bath and body products. This is really cute. She took a lot of time in packaging this, I can tell. That's really nice. More safety precaution. Now I know how the Postal Service is, so I'm glad that she did that. Oh, is this a lotion bar? Oh my God. She's so nice. Oh, she took so good care of it. You could tell she's so careful with everything. This is, wow, it's really strong. Now, pine tar is known to be strong because of all its benefits and whatnot. But I'm really excited to use it on my son because he suffers from eczema really, really bad. So she has the contents here and the ingredients here, and the approximate ounces here, and then her logo. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I personally don't want to make pine tar soap because the process is really complicated, so I'd rather just buy it from someone. Okay, so these are my bath bombs as well that I ordered. She packaged everything so nicely. Oh my goodness, and I could smell it too. And it's not even like opened. I don't even want to open it. It's so cute. I'm so excited. Look at the details. And the color and the glitter of it all is nice. And this one is sent from the Spaceman, and it has its ingredients on the back. So she really did take the time to carefully package these, and wow, it smells amazing. Wow, I really want to use these in the tub. Oh my goodness. And I could smell it like all the way over here. These are beautiful. Wow. See, this is the beauty about, you know, even though I make bath bombs and soaps, I love buying from other fellow soapers because, you know, they have their own creative ideas, and every soaper is different with their techniques and things that it's interesting how they make their soap, and it's really neat. Wow. Oh, that's pretty. Wow. I'm really excited. It has her label, her stamp label in gold. It is so pretty. I don't even want to use it, but my son needs it. And you know, the smell isn't that bad. You know, pine tar is known to have like a strong smell, and that's just normal with pine tar. But I love the benefits of pine tar, and this, you know, especially for people with skin problems. So I really want to use it on my son and see how it works on his eczema. So I'm really excited about this, and thank you so much, Lizette. Everything came out amazing, and she gave me a little sample of her lotion bar. It's so sweet of her, and it smells amazing. Look at her lotion bar. And her business card. Desert Farm Company. So Lizette Lopez, and she's on YouTube and Instagram and Etsy. So I will put your Etsy page on, Lizette Lopez. Thank you so much.